Hi, welcome to All You Can Watch YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to check FasTag transaction history. Go to Google Play Store or App Store, download FasTag mobile app, My FasTag app, and open it. Give permission access to all, allow all. Now click on login to bank portal. Here we have, see that. So yeah, and list of banks will appear. Now you have to select your bank account which is associated with my FasTag. It will open in after your selection. It will open in a new browser. So select the browser, web browser. Now FasTag.Indusland bank will open. Now you have to enter your mobile number, register mobile number and password. If you don't know the password, just enter forget password. Just click on forget password. You will get an OTP. Just log in with it, and please do one change the password. And now I am typing the password. Actually, it will show blank. The screen recorder is on, so you won't see that. And you will, yeah, this is my account. So I'm blurring my name and contact. So this is where you will see all your transactions. Scroll down. Yeah, Jan 7, Jan 8, 70 rupees, 30 rupees, 90 rupees, 35, 65. All my transactions. Jan 1st, December 31st, January 6th. These are the transactions I have done. So yep, this is how you can check. First, you have to download my FasTag app and go to log into your bank account. In my FasTag, just log into your account. So you will be redirected to your bank associated FasTag account. So that's it. Here are the price details. Per card, 4-wheeler, 200 rupees minimum recharge amount. This will be. Light commercial vehicles, it will be 150 rupees. Bus 2XL 300, bus 3XL 300 rupees, mini bus 150 rupees. Minimum recharge amount, these are the minimum recharge amount. Truck minimum recharge 300, truck multi axle 300. Lightweight, heavy vehicle motors, earth moving machinery 300. Maximum amount is 300 rupees. So you have to keep that amount in your wallet. So these are the prices, vehicle name, tires. So again I'll show you few other trips. Don't just go back. So now here enter the vehicle number. So there you can enter your vehicle number and check your vehicle status and wallet status. How much money you have got. Enter your mobile number. UPI recharge. For UPI recharge, just click on UPI recharge. Just enter, select the bank from which you have purchased your FasTag. A bank, which bank you have purchased. So select the bank. And here we have activation, wallet recharge, and access your FasTag wallet. Activate your FasTag wallet. Just all you need is a registered mobile number. That's it. You can do anything with the FasTag. There are many fake My FasTag apps. Just download the official one, My FasTag. There is a government handling it. So just I'll actually provide the original link in the description. So that's it. SOS option is there. Nearby SOS, you have to enable Google locations. Select the states, cities, and select bank. Everything you have to do. Buy online. These are the things you can do. So please don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll keep posted. Thank you for watching.